What's up, everybody? So we're in my 2000 V6 Mustang here, automatic. Just put 410 gears in it. Well, not just, but a couple days ago I finished this up. Gonna do 0 to 60. Yeah, I know it's got an ABS slide. I have to replace the sensors, but I'm gonna do a freeway on ramp 0 to 60. 410 limited slip in here, 8.8. Has cold air intake, 93 octane race tune. I'm gonna try and do it like this. So not bad. That little faster than 60, but I'm pretty impressed for little V6 with 410s, 93 octane race tune, the Bayman race tune, a $50 Amazon cold air intake, and that's all I've got for performance on here. I will be doing headers, mid-pipe, exhaust eventually, but so at 65, that's where your RPM rise roughly. So not too bad. Got to go out and buy both ABS sensors, backing plates to fix that. The backing plates were bad. They're broken on the rear end I bought, and the ones that were on my 7.5 inch on here originally were just junk. And then I had to cut the ABS sensor wires because they were seized in the old rear end. So for now, that's the way it is. I gotta order them today though and get them. But other than that though, so I'll make that video though. She's pretty spunky compared to what she used to be, man. The 410s over the 327s are just huge difference. I mean, she spins the tires in second gear. For an automatic, I was surprised. She's pretty quick, and that was just being in drive. I mean, if I put it down in first and I actually do like a little power stand launch, she gets up boogies. I'm quite happy with it. But so like a short video. You have any questions how I did or anything? I'll be making a video of the actual rear end and what all it took to do and stuff like that. So any questions, comments, concerns? Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day or night. For me, it's night. For you, it's probably going to be day by the time this video gets uploaded. So, take care. See you later.